What's up, YouTube? Back at it with another video. Today I wanted to show you guys the RipClean Extractor, give it a thorough review, a thorough product review, seeing as I just ordered a new one because I actually cracked my other one. I was on a job and I dropped it and a piece of the glass had chipped off, and I tried to tape it back up, but it just wasn't producing the suction that it had before, so I had to go ahead and order a new one. And yeah, I wanted to show you guys what you get straight out of the box, and then throw in some clips from past details that I've had to show the results that it can give you. So we're gonna go ahead and open the box now. So I already opened the box. When I first got here, I was too hyped. I was too hyped, and I had opened it up and took everything out, but everything is laid out right here, so we're gonna go ahead and dive into it. Starting out, we have the hose that comes with the extractor kit. You have a 25-foot option, or you also can get a 50-foot option. The first one I got the 50-foot option, but I chose to get the 25-foot option because I want to be able to hook it up to my water tank and the pump be able to push enough pressure into that hose, because with the 50-foot, I believe it wasn't getting enough pressure due to the hose being too long. So again, that's why I got the 25-foot option this time. I'm gonna see if that works out better for the water tank. If so, even better. So that's the first thing you get. The second item that you will see when you open the box, of course, is your extractor head. This thing is beautiful. It's gonna get dirty. I'm just admiring how good and how crystal clear it is right now, because I know tomorrow it's gonna get put to work. So this is what you get. You have a nice lightweight trigger. Be careful with that. So I've sprayed myself in the face multiple times with this gun. Good, but you know, be careful. And you of course have the adapter to connect it to your quick connect on the hose. I should have showed that actually. The 25-foot hose that I have for this is a quick connect, so you can easily hook this up to the extractor head and you'll be good to go. And then on the opposite side, you of course have your screw on for the water source, whether that's to the water spigot itself, or you can connect this to another hose and just have it running through that hose. That's what I do most of the time, just so I can take this off and then go ahead and hook up my pressure washer to my other hose once I'm finished with the interior or something like that. But that is the second thing you'll see when you open the box. So throw these in there, these straps, so you can tie the blue hose around the other hose, which I'm about to show right now. This is the final piece that you will see that you'll need in the box. This is of course the hose that will be sucking all the water and all of the chemicals and whatnot out of the seats, out of the carpets, everything. So you got this separate hose from your original vacuum hose, and then you screw the extractor head onto this hose, and yeah, you're good. So I'm gonna go ahead and set it up and show you guys what it looks like when it's fully assembled with the straps, with the hose and the quick connect all assembled, and I will get back to you. Here is the fully assembled kit, extractor, whatever you want to call it. You got your trigger hooked onto the gray hose, strapped in with the RipClean straps, and connected with the quick connect. Everything is in place. All we have to do is hook it up to our shopvac, and it will be fully functional. And of course, hook it onto a water hookup, water line, whatever you call it. There you have it. Now I'm gonna insert some clips from previous Instagram posts or TikTok posts that show that this extractor is very good. It works very well. I would even go so far as to say that this competes with the Mighty not the hot water. The hot water extractor is always gonna be better. If you can get hot water flow into this, 12 out of 10. As of right now, I rate this a 10 out of 10. If it wasn't as good as I thought it was gonna be, I wouldn't have ordered another one, the exact same one that I just had. I would have just gotten me another extractor or a new extractor. But this gets the job done. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys have enjoyed, and here are the clips. I also forgot to mention that if you purchase this extractor kit from the link in the description below, you can receive an extra 5% off of your purchase. It helps you because you get money off, and it helps me because I get a little bit of, you know what I'm saying. But anyways, that's all I wanted to say. Let's get to the clips. Everybody always say,